Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM card to Motorola Moto G30. So you have to start by inserting your SIM tray key into your device and then pull out your SIM tray. And now you can place your SIM card right here. And now you can put your SIM tray back into your device. And now let's check if my SIM card is working. And as you can see right here in the corner, I have network connection, so that means that my SIM card is working. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.